In a hidden laboratory kitchen beneath the bustling streets of Tokyo, Chef Haruki donned his lab coat, ready to bend the very fabric of reality with his latest culinary creation. He had discovered a way to manipulate subatomic particles using quantum fields, enabling him to infuse flavors at a molecular level. An extraordinary spin on traditional ingredients. Tonight's dish was quantum sashimi, featuring fish that danced between states of raw and cooked. Within seconds, as he platted the shimmering morsels, they flickered in and out of existence like ghosts on the plate. Diners watched in awe as each bite released bursts of flavor that changed according to their emotional state. Joy turned salmon into mango-infused bliss while sadness melted it away into gentle umami sensations. With every taste, guests found themselves experiencing memories long forgotten or dreams unfulfilled. A feast not just for their bodies but for their souls intertwined with the threads of quantum entanglement, leaving them questioning not only what they were eating but who they truly were in this deliciously fragmented universe.